Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, November the 24th, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus. But first we will do this one, the Sudoku Medium. And this one will be number 1 and 9 to 6. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I have already counted the printed digits in this Sudoku. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, the 1 star has 27, the 2 stars has 26, the 3 stars 25, and the 4 stars 24. So this is a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. Well, and 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We see here 1 and a 7 in this big square. So no 1 and a 7 in those 2 boxes. The 1 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those for you so you can follow it easier. That means the other 2 missing numbers are the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Let me mark those because I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about this row? We have again 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 6. We have the 9 and the 6 in this big square. So no 9 and a 6 in those 2 boxes. The 9 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes in this row. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1 and 3 are missing. 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so those 2 boxes, 1 and a 7, I cannot place a 1 here. This should be a 7, and this should be a 1. Alright. 1, 4, 5. Alright. How about this big square? 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We see there an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. Then. Let me see. In this column, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 3. In this big square, we have a 5 and a 3. That means no 5 and a 3 in those 2 boxes. The 5 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this column should be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and the 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 3. Alright. Alright. 2, 6, 6 and 8. Alright, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8. No 8 in those two boxes. One box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for an 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, the 2 and the 6. Let me mark those. It's a pair, it's a pair. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this column should be the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square, the 6 and the 7 are missing in this big square. We see here 6. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so in the third row, only place for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1. The lucky 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them because it's a pair. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 9. Yes, correct. 9 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 1 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you so you can follow it easier. How about... Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 1 and... Oh, I've made a mistake here. I cannot believe this. I need to correct this. To correct this, we have 1 and 6, 2, 3, 4. This should be a... No, 4 we have here. 5, this is a 5. That means the other 2 should be 1 and the 4. Yes. Okay. So I have corrected this just in time. Yes. Alright. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 6. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 8 and 2. We have an 8 here, no 8 here. 8 should be here, the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those for you. And now, how about those 2 numbers in this second row for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 4. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for a 1 should be there. I see here a 2. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 6. 2 boxes left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and then 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2. How about the 9? 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see, yes. How about no. Ooh, all right. 3 in this row, last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4. 1 number left in this row. The third row for the number 8. 8 in the third column. 8 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for an 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 5. All right, 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 4. And the last 2 numbers in this big square, the 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. 12 minutes. I'm surprised. Very fast. Fast and furious. Yes, with the mistake. Anyway, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later. Bye bye for now.